Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So whenever you try to print out a Word document and each time you have to start this Print Spooler service. To fix it, make a double click on Print Spooler, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if electric, click on OK, and then make a right click on restart. And then you can check, still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to apps, go to install apps in Windows 10, go to apps and features. So go to install apps in Windows 10 and over here you can search for Office. Search your Office. In my case, this is the Office 365. So click on these three dots, click on modify, click on yes to allow. And here you can see quick repair fixes most issue quickly without the need for an internet connection. Now click on repair. Click on repair. Close all your Word documents, save it, and then you can click on repair. Save all your Office document and then repair. And once the repair is done, now you can check. So that should help you to fix the, you should be able to print without each time you don't have to restart Print Spooler service. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.